Price is the most important indicator on a chart. Price reflects consensus between traders who agree to buy or sell at a certain level. Price is always right because it summarizes all forces that lay behind, be they fundamental or psychological. Looking at a price chart is comparable to looking at traders' sentiment, hopes, fears, opinions, etc. Every force that influences the market is already implemented on a price chart. Price rarely moves straight because traders' sentiments are neither unique nor straight. Price often moves in waves, which shows balance between buyers' and sellers' sentiment. On an uptrend, buyers start to buy, which causes the price on a chart to go up. After some time, buyers close their positions because they want to lock in profit. As they liquidate their position, the upper trend stalls slightly and often forms a small counter-trend before buyers prevail again and initiate a new rise on the chart. The opposite is true on the downtrend. Although traders often try to predict price moves, this is rarely a solid base for profitable tactics. You may try to predict that the price will go up based on news and indicators, but you are never sure that it will actually go up. Prediction is a fool's game. What you can do instead is to think in terms of probability. You are not trying to guess where will it go, but you can certainly evaluate the probability that trade will go in your direction, based on your trading tactics. If the probability is in your favor, your risk-reward ratio will be good and you can enter the trade. You don't actually need to worry about whether you were right, because risk management and probability law will do the rest. Your only concern is to find trades with a favorable probability score. You should never try to predict a future price move, which should bring relief to you as a trader. Some traders use the trading volume indicator to see if a price move is supported by a large number of traders who are making it move more strongly and stably. The bigger the volume, the more chance that the move will be solid. My personal opinion is that smaller traders don't need to bother with checking volume. From 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. GMT or UTC daily, the volume is usually at a consistently high level. According to many traders, this is the best time frame for trading on a day-to-day basis, as London is the main Forex trading center, followed by New York. Some statistics also show that traders' position may be generally profitable during less active trading times, because price moves will be more stable, since there are fewer participating traders. It is always a good tactic to try to avoid trading during the start of a London trading session, 9 a.m. GMT, because price moves will often be hectic. The same principle is valid for trading Japanese yen during the first hour of Tokyo trading time, approximately 1 a.m. GMT.